So we like to get concentration, but it is not right answer. It is, wrong answer. But we are needed to get concentration for going on. So why we practice meditation is to purify our mind. That is the main point. To free our mind from all, sensual pleasure or sensual defilements. So if we like to get only concentration, we can get from something. We can reading, and we can pray, and we can do something. But our target of the meditation is to purify our mind or to free our mind from all sensual defilements. Because we are always thinking about actually when we see something that's beautiful, we like to get it, and when we hear some song that is sweet, we like to hear more and more, and that's called sensual pleasure. So the Buddha also told that Papa Same Remedy Mano. Actually, our mind is very enjoying to think about sensual pleasure. Therefore, the target of meditation is to purify our mind or to free our mind from all defilements. So, the first one is before starting practice meditation, we must observe precepts, at least 5 precepts. The second is when we start to practice meditation, we must keep our body straight, and then we must relax the nerves. And then for those people who have no experience, and it will be so difficult to practice meditation, because when we for the beginner who will start the practice of meditation, I mean they cannot sit for a long time. I mean sometimes they will feel painful through the leg, and something feeling itching from the body. So when we get the practical experience, and then we can sit for 30 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes, from 40 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes like this. Because we, according to the Buddha's teaching, meditation is a battle to fight the defilements that was accumulated since many past lives, according to the Buddha's teaching. Because when we practice meditation, I mean, we will get so many problems. Something feeling, something itching, something thinking about. So it is very difficult to control our mind on one point for those people who have no practice. Therefore, so I like to request you, while you practice meditation, so I mean you must persist the problem of painful, the problem of itching. So when you get some practice, I think you will go on to practice for a long time. Because when I start to practice meditation, so I also face that problem. Because I have no practice, that I have no practical experience. So the first time, I sit for only 30 minutes at that time. So after that, I try to increase day by day. So I also like to request you to do like this, because we have no, because for those people who has no practical experience, I think it is very, very difficult to sit in meditation for a long time. So vipassana means, look after on our body. Vipassana means, so samatha is to get concentration, but our target is not concentration. The concentration is support to go on vipassana. So without concentration, so we can do vipassana meditation perfectly. So vipassana is we are looking on our body. So anicca, dukkha, anatta. So when we get concentration, so we will come to realize the nature of our body. So the anicca means impermanent. Impermanent means sometimes we are good, sometimes we are itching, sometimes we are painful. And dukkha means suffering. So anatta means no self. So the two kinds of meditation, samatha was prepared before the lifetime of the Buddha, but vipassana is the pure of Buddhism. So after the Buddha enlightenment, the Buddha taught the vipassana meditation. So since that time, vipassana meditation began influence in India. So all the Buddhist people, Nibbana is the target of all Buddhist people. So if we like to practice to attain Nibbana, and we must go by the method of vipassana meditation. Samatha meditation is just only to purify our mind or to get proper concentration. So after we get pure concentration on the samatha meditation, so we must change to vipassana meditation. Actually in Burma, at the same time, the people practice two ways. So one way, there are four satipatthana. Satipatthana, kaya nupassana satipatthana, vedana nupassana satipatthana, dhamma nupassana satipatthana, citta nupassana satipatthana. Satipatthana is vipassana, not samatha. Satipatthana is vipassana. So kaya nupassana satipatthana means when we practice, when we keep our mind on the nose. The nose means the body. It's called kaya. So when we keep our mind on stomach, the stomach is kaya. This is called kaya nupassana satipatthana. Now breathe in, breathe out, that's the samatha. But we keep our mind on our body, it's called kaya nupassana satipatthana. Vedana nupassana satipatthana, when we practice some feelings, sensual feeling, sensation will appear on our body. Sometimes we itching, painful, like this. So when you feel some sensation, so if you feel itching, so you think itching. So when you feel painful, you think painful. So I think it's very difficult for those people who has no practical experience. But for those people who has the experience, it's very, very easy, and then 3, 4, 5 times, itching, it will disappear automatically. It's called vedana nupassana satipatthana. So dhamma nupassana satipatthana means sometimes we hear some song like this, something it is naturally. then we